We're going to make open sandwich. We have all the ingredients ready here. Mommy chopped it before for you, Chef Daria. I'll bring you the bread.
Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a circle. Bob's going first, Bob 2.0. Press it down. Ta-da. Welcome to the world, Bob 2.1. Okay, so I'm going to spread Bob 2.1.
Some cranberry
Sauce.
cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce. It's the time of your life to meet Bob 2.1.
Oh, that's nice. You know, the advantage of getting kids involved in the kitchen is they can be creative, and if you let them to cook like today, of course by supervising them, it's really good. They feel more independent and it boosts their self-esteem. And it's fine, just get out of your comfort zone, let them be messy, it's fine. They'll be more creative if they give them more room for cooking.
Okay, I'm just cutting the turkey ham right now. So
Okay.
the circle has turned into a triangle. Don't mind that, it's okay. What we're going to do now is we're going to get 2 black olives for Bob 2.1's eyes. And then we're going to put an apple slice
For the mouth?
for his mouth. See, Bob was born very, very happy, and a little pomegranate for his nose.
Oh, looks so nice, Daria. As you can see, Daria made a very cute sandwich. Okay, the other one, let me put it aside
now this
for
one
you,
is
Daria.
going to be one of my favorites.
Okay.
So, we're going to take a big heart cutter, and we're going to find the sharp side of it. So this is the sharp side. So we're gonna press it hard so we get the heart, and press it down. And
That's a lovely shape, Daria.
on this one, the next step, Nutella. So I'm gonna put some Nutella on the heart because I love Nutella. I love Nutella. Take some Nutella and spread it. Now, everybody knows that strawberries go well with chocolate. So I'm going to put another heart, 1 strawberry, maybe some more later. And we're going to take some blueberries and use these for the eyes, and some
Wow.
pomegranate seeds.
Okay. Oh, yes, you can make it as a smiley face.
He had a very surprised,
What is that?
like
Let them put it in the plate.
very surprised. So I'm gonna use my starlight cutter now, and we're just gonna press it down.
Yes.
So just take
This
these
isn't-
bits off. For this one, we're going to do something
I
different.
give you a clean knife.
Yeah, we're going to put some
Mayo?
mayonnaise on starlight, and so let's put her down. Now, what's weird is that
That's weird.
egg goes well with egg because mayo is actually made out of egg. So that's a bit strange.
Now, that's a very smart thing you say.
Okay, so
I think you
that's
put enough. Then Chef Daria.
maybe I'll cut it in half. So
Okay.
and ta-da! That's star.
Okay. That's interesting, you see. She's so creative today. Look, the open sandwiches she made, they were fantastic.